So I'm Lee. I decided to tackle some augmented reality. Let me hold that so you don't get too, there we go. And the ambition version of me and the practical version of me were beating the crap out of each other all weekend long, pardon my language. But that's the honest to goodness truth, that we were not getting along, the parts in my head. But I did get to do some really great exploring of Unity, which is a great application for building virtual reality and augmented reality, as well as Android Studio, which can take your creations and make them apps on your Android phone, and Vuforia, which manages your license and as well as your target images. Because sometimes in AI, I don't know, I'm sure you've seen, sometimes your image will render just on a surface, and sometimes you actually need a trigger target image. So I decided to call this project Fun with Travel. As many of you know, I'm new to New York. I'm only here temporarily, so it's sort of a little bit of an adventure. So I created a couple of apps to send some things home to the people I left there. And I'm totally going to have tech problems. There we go. Yay. So we're going to imagine that I sent a postcard home along with this app to a friend or a loved one to send them some greetings from New York. I sent them this postcard with this silly little image. Here, I'll do that there so you can see it better. And I went and I saw the Statue of Liberty, which for some reason I keep calling the Empire State Building, and like interchangeably, I don't know, it's a confusion in my mind. But here's our lovely Statue of Liberty as seen from our postcard. And then when we turn the postcard over, we get this great message. And I don't know if you can hear that, but we've got some music too. So then we can go back, and we've got just an extra little fun image rotating, just for a little extra fun. And then I decided I wanted to have a party, and I wanted some of my friends from back home to come. So I decided to send this invitation on this postcard here. And we have our lovely skyscraper. Oh, did it freeze? Oh, there it goes. And this one just has a little extra pizzazz in our party scene. And then finally, I figured I've been to so many places now, I should probably start keeping track of it. So I created a little map. Also, I have big dreams about travel. You don't have any idea. Big dreams. So I made this map. And you can see I have little pins. The little blue pins are where countries I've been. And the red markers, which are a little harder to see, but they're spinning there to make it a little bit easier, are the countries I would like to visit. Ideally, I would love to make this more interactive, where you can actually click the extra items and move them around. But I'm still working on that. So that's my Stackathon.